So hi guys, this is Ujjwal and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a very interesting customization thing that I came to know about recently. So if you're a guy who uses Spotify desktop and listens to music on that, then it would be great. Then this video would be great for you. So like you can customize Spotify desktop as well, and if you want to get this theme, like I got this theme and I thought that why not make a video on this and tell you how I got this theme. So like if you'll get this theme and someone comes to you, sees this theme, he'll be like, whoa man, how did you get this? And you can be like, I hacked into the back end of the Spotify server and injected this theme. So yeah, you'll be like yeah. So yeah, let's see how you can get this beautiful theme and other themes like this as well, and make up your own theme as well. So yeah, let's see. So basically it's a client called Spicetify. So what it does is injects CSS theme. So if you know CSS, so you can also make up your own theme for Spotify. So, and not only it injects themes, it also injects extensions as well. So for example, I have two extensions, that is full app display and the bookmark thing. So yeah, these are the two extensions that I'm using. So let's see how you can install this Spicetify client and start using it. So yeah, I will just link down this GitHub repository. I'll give you the link in the description, so you can also check for yourself. So I'll go to the installation and you have to just paste this command. So you have to just paste this command into your PowerShell and automatically your Spicetify client will be installed. So this is the command and I'll highlight it. So I won't do this because it will start downloading and I want to waste the I don't want to increase the video length. So yeah, this will install the Spicetify client into your computer. Now after installation, what you have to do is you have to enable the Spicetify. So in order to enable, it's just very simple. You have to just type Spicetify in the PowerShell and automatically the Spicetify client will be enabled and it will automatically install a config file in default which contains the theme. So the default theme will be like this, and I really like this default theme. It's actually good. If you want to edit this theme, if you want to edit this default theme, then you can use these two commands, which is Spicetify backup apply. So it will allow you to edit that CSS file, and after that you can update that theme. But you might be thinking, bro, how can I get a custom made theme? Like I don't know CSS and I want to get a custom made, but not this theme, some other theme. So there is a repository for that as well. People have posted a lot of themes here. So what you can do is you can clone this repository into your users folder. So where is it? Actually, you have to go into the C OS local disk C, and in that you have to go into the users and whatever your username is. Like for me it's Ujv, so I will go here and I will search for .spicetify. So I'll go to the .spicetify folder, and in that I will go into the themes and paste these all themes right over here. So I'll get these themes. Now you'll be thinking, bro, how to just update that theme, how to get that theme. So in order to do that, you have to just you have to paste this command, Spicetify config current theme and the theme name. For example, if I want to get the Dracula theme, I will type Spicetify config current theme Dracula. So this will automatically update the current theme as this. It will change from default to Dracula. So that's how you can customize your Spotify, and I will give you these two links in the description. And yeah, only thing I missed is extensions, how to install extensions. I can leave that to you. I think there is not much use of extensions, but yeah, if you want to go further, then you can see this link as well. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope this might be helpful, and if you're into customization, you should try this. And yeah, that's all for this video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.